country, this year Ramadan falls in the winter, and actually it's so special because normally it falls in the summer or spring, so I'm really excited. I love decorating the house for Ramadan, so today I went to the store to get some decoration, and I don't even know why I'm talking so casually about this, because in my country they normally don't have Ramadan decorations in the stores, but this year they did have, and I was so happy about it. So first I got this. I don't even know how you call this, but you put a candle there and then it will light up, and it's like this really cute decoration. Then I got this tray with like a mosque decoration on the sides and for on the table. And then I got this moon shaped tray to just put it on the iftar table. And I also got this table cover for also if you are gonna eat iftar, you can just put it on the table. And I found those really beautiful LED lights with stars and like those beautiful decorations on it, and I think it will look so beautifully to turn it on when it's time for iftar, and it will just look really cozy. Then I got those paper plates to put on different snacks or dishes, and it's just really easy and convenient. So when I saw this in the store, I got so happy because it just looks so cute. It's like those dish sets and with star and moon shaped plates, and I thought it would look so good if you put dates on it for for the iftar table. And yes, I got it, and I'm so happy with it. And this is me struggling to open the packaging because I just can't open packagings. That's just such a struggle. People give me tips on how to do that. This is what I was talking about. Like, do you see the vision on the iftar table? Won't this look so good? I also bought star-shaped balloons, and just to add to that festive look. I also think it's really necessary to plan before Ramadan begins. Otherwise, you will just be lost and don't do anything productive. So, I got my laptop and I'm gonna make a plan on Notion. So, I will just take you through it. So, this is my Notion, and actually, I'm so proud of it. And if you want a tutorial one day, then let me know. So here I'm adding a new page for my Ramadan. So here it is. So here I just gave it a title, Ramadan 2026, because I'm a real creative person with my titles. Then I add a cover, and I just always go for black because that's my favorite color. Then I just add this beautiful picture I found on Pinterest to just make it look more aesthetic and give it the Ramadan vibes. So now more the serious parts. I made this title with my goals because I think it's really important to set goals for yourself before Ramadan starts, so you know what you're working towards. So I divided my goals into two sections, spiritual goals and more personal goals. And I personally think it's really important to choose less goals so you can actually achieve them. And I don't think Ramadan is about doing all the things you have never done or anything. I think it's really depends on your intention, and I think that you can just set really simple goals for yourself, and that even that will grant you so much peace and rewards. So, for example, you can write as a goal like praying on time, or making daily dua, or just reciting one surah of the Quran. And maybe some people may think, oh my god, that's just the bare minimum. But I think that it doesn't, it's not about how much you do, but I really think it's about with what intention you do it. And I really believe that if you focus on the really small things on the daily basis, that you will get so much out of it than overwhelming yourself with a lot of goals. And yeah, that's my way of doing it, I think. And I also think it's really important to take care of yourself during Ramadan. So I set personal goals and like eating healthy, or taking self-care moments, or everything that's really important to you for your own health or well-being. And then I made a Ramadan day routine because I normally do have a morning and night routine, but I think during Ramadan that will change a little bit. So I really wanted to make a new routine for myself I can actually stick to. So I would also recommend to make a morning and night routine for yourself so you will go stress free during your days. And I also would recommend making a Ramadan bucket list with 2 or 3 things to do during this Ramadan you never have done before, and that's really out of your comfort zone. So please let me know what you want to go do this Ramadan.